I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with the IRS. I'm here just kind of in my PJs here, just making YouTube videos for people who need to know, get IRS answers. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've been doing this 50 years. You want to see me on TV in a suit and tie on all the national stations, go ahead and look at my website at 777irs.com. You'll see all my national news interviews, as long as, more importantly, is my team is on there. As a former agent, I was a revenue officer. Like I said, I've worked thousands of cases. I am a national expert in anything, in fact, that I talk about on here. So I don't need a script, a code, a fancy back. All you need to know is my brain. So today, I'm going to answer the question, can I sell my home with a federal tax lien? Big question I'm asked quite a bit. The answer is yes. You can go ahead and sell your home if there's a federal tax lien on there. So let me tell you now what's going to happen with that. So a couple things will happen. The lender, whoever is purchasing your home, is going to want to get a payoff from Internal Revenue Service. There's a number that you can call in the centralized unit of Internal Revenue Service, and they will give you a payoff for that home. One of two things are going to happen. You're either going to pay that off in full, and you will get a release of lien by Internal Revenue Service, and the title company, I'm sure, has handled this. They'll know what to do, but you can sell your home. Or the other option is, if you can't fully pay IRS off, you can file a discharge of the federal tax lien. And what IRS will do is they will go ahead and they will take the money and they will go ahead and discharge the lien on this piece of property only. So let's say you own a piece of property on ABC Street. What IRS will do is you submit a discharge on that piece of property. There's a form. Just go application of discharge for the federal tax lien. Form will pop up. There's a publication 783. I forgot the form number, 121 something. But what you can do is you'll sell your home, and IRS will take the proceeds of that home. At that point in time, they will release that house, the house at ABC or whatever I said, they will release that home from the federal tax lien, so that sale will go through. But what will IRS do? IRS will keep the lien. The lien that they release will say lien released on ABC company, whatever I said. So that's all you need to know. So that lien, though, if it's not paid in full, is going to follow you wherever you go and will attach to anything you own. So once again, the short of this, you can sell your home. You'll either pay it off at the time of closing, or you'll ask for an application of discharge of the lien. IRS will probably grant the discharge of federal tax lien. They'll release that home from the piece of property, but they will still reinstate the lien that you already have on you, and it'll continue to follow you. That is the long and short of that. If you have any questions, call me. I know what I'm doing. If you have an IRS problem, call me. Give me a subscription. That's all I got today, but you can sell your home.